Alright, so we stripped it down. I'm going to paint the frame. I think I'm just going to paint it red. Still not sure what I'm going to stick on it for a motor. It's missing the brake caliper. I ordered one of those, so once that comes in I'll be able to put that on. So we're going to get the sand in this thing here. If you have adhesive glue that you peel the sticker off and you have glue on there, grab some carb cleaner, spray it on a rag, rub it on there. You'll see it start to melt. Flip the rag over, get a clean part. All the glue's gone. So now that we got that off, we'll just scuff that up real quick there. About ready for paint. Alright, so we got it all painted up. We're going to go ahead and let it dry for a few minutes, and then we'll put the parts back on it that we have. Now that the paint's dried up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and throw some of the parts back on there. Go ahead and stick this front fender on here. So that's it, all painted up, put together. I think it looks pretty good. Need to make a seat for it. Decide what engine I'm going to put on it. Get that brake caliper in so it has brakes. Let us know down in the comments what you think. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.